They go to school. They go to school. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. She wears a red dress. She wears a red dress. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. We love our teacher. We love our teacher. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. It is a big tree. It is a big tree. The bus is coming. The bus is coming. My brother loves football. My brother loves football. The rabbit is very cute. The rabbit is very cute. We watch cartoons at home. We watch cartoons at home. I have a pink bag. I have a pink bag. The stars are shining bright. The stars are shining bright. She is wearing a hat. She is wearing a hat. We go to the park. We go to the park. The baby is sleeping now. The baby is sleeping now. The fish swims in water. The fish swims in water. He is playing with toys. He is playing with toys. The wind is blowing strong. The wind is blowing strong. We drink orange juice daily. We drink orange juice daily. I love to learn English. I love to learn English. The baby is crawling very slowly. The baby is crawling very slowly. My mother bakes chocolate cookies. My mother bakes chocolate cookies. My father works very hard. My father works very hard. The butterfly has colorful wings. The butterfly has colorful wings. He always tells funny jokes. He always tells funny jokes. They enjoy swimming in summer. They enjoy swimming in summer. The teacher explains the lesson. The teacher explains the lesson. We must follow the rules. We must follow the rules. She happily sings her song. She happily sings her song. The elephant is very strong. The elephant is very strong. I usually wake up early. I usually wake up early. He plays the guitar beautifully. He plays the guitar beautifully. The train moves very fast. The train moves very fast. They brings lunch from home. They brings lunch from home. We often visit our grandparents. We often visit our grandparents. The little girl is excited. The little girl is excited. The children are playing outside happily. The children are playing outside happily. She carefully paints a beautiful picture. She carefully paints a beautiful picture. He quickly runs toward the door. He helps his parents at home. He helps his parents at home. She is wearing a beautiful dress. She is wearing a beautiful dress. He usually finishes his homework early. He usually finishes his homework early. The students listen to their teacher. The students listen to their teacher. We should always respect our elders. We should always respect our elders. He always wears a blue jacket. He always wears a blue jacket. My father reads the newspaper daily. My father reads the newspaper daily. He quickly climbed up the tree. He quickly climbed up the tree.